I'm ready to die.
Hi, boys!
Hello.
Guys, try nyo to. Masarap to.
Masarap ba yan? Kilala mo ba to? Hindi. Uy,
Dapat
isip
lang
ko ba
kayo
dyan?
matikman nyo yan.
Nung tikim niya. Kilala mo. Hinahanto ako.
Huwag na maglagay.
Paluin ko kayo dyan eh.
Huwag naman.
Sabihin mo masarap. Masarap yan. Testing. Testing mo kung masarap.
Allow me to introduce a new addition to our class, Miss Anarca Riego. Introduce yourself, Miss. I'm Anarca Riego, a student all of you. Students, we at your highest thank you. I have an announcement to make.
Start that Jesus Aris pinagkagad.
Hoy, saan ka ba? Kakasabi lang na tumahimik, di ba? Class, I think you need to hold on to your chairs for a moment. It was said that your classmate, Nexus Velasquez has died. He was a great student, a great classmate to you all. Naging role mo doon siya dito sa community and sa school. This news is heartbreaking. Sorry. This is a joke, right? Sabihin niyo prank lang to. Saan ang camera? Nexus? Our best friend Nexus? He wasn't replying when I texted him during those days he was missing. Now, you're telling me that he's gone? No!
Nexus Velasquez? I know him. He was my neighbor.
Then you must know what happened, right?
No.
Come on, mates. Di natin hawak ang oras.
A moment of silence for your classmate. Since shorted period kayo today, di-dismiss ko kayo ng maaga. Goodbye, class.
What? Hindi ko naman siya gano'ng kakilala. Bakit mo ko nila nakita?
It's not the time to give up so easily. There must be an explanation. There must be.
There's only one person at our school where Nexus practice time. You? What's your name again? Anyways, you'll be accompanying us. We'll go to the library. But wait, bakit ako sasama? Hindi ko naman siya... Wait!
I don't get it. What are we supposed to find here? Our friend just died.
We are aware. I don't think I can even move on. Bakit siya nawala? Bakit? Ang daming tanong sa isipan ko.
I know him well enough. He's not going to disappear just like that.
Stop trying so hard to decipher things that don't even exist.
Ah! Ano yan? Warning!
This is Nexus' recorder.
Is he like here? I feel like he's maybe visiting us with his spirit. Ano bang ginagawa ko dito?
You're watching too much horror, Gail. Adik na adik ka na ba? Hindi to maaari. Let me see it.
You know what, guys? Play it. It must be a clue. I think Nexus wants us to see.
I don't have much time left. Know the truth. Go to the Diplomat Hotel. By the time we found this recorder, I believe I'm not around anymore. Mag-iingat kayo sa katabi lang ninyo. Silang nagsisimula ng katapusan.
This is where you want us to go?
Please, give me chance. Tara na nga. Ano bang gusto niya mahanap natin dito?
Uy, sige, maglalakad-lakad lang muna ka dyan.
Diyan muna kayo ah. Paano kayo namatay si Nex?
Kaya nga, tapos yung letter na pupunta daw tayo sa ating na lugar na to.
Kaya nga eh. Uy, tignan mo yun oh. Kuya, okay ka lang po ba?
Kaya,
Kuya, okay ka lang. Ano? Tignan mo yan oh.
Please kami! Anong nangyayari dito?
Hindi ba na lalaki to?
Are you okay, ma'am?
Yes, I'm okay. I was just about, so please let me pass. Ma'am, sorry, but this area is not for public yet. We're investigating something that happened yesterday. 4 drunk men made a mess. 4 drunk men? No, you must be mistaken because my friends were just there, so I'm just gonna go. Mom, are you hallucinating? No, I'm not hallucinating, okay? I was just about to pass.
Well, if you need help, ma'am, we're offering a private organization.
Anak, ikaw! Unang ka tao! Tukot-tukot kami! Kumakagat sila! Let's go! Okay, go there. I'll be right there. Go! Run!
Go there! There! Lagi kami pumunta dyan ni Nexus. Hindi pa yung sinabi ng kaibigan nyo?
Then there must be a clue.
Look for what? Ano ginahanap mo? Let's find something.
Here!
Yan, di ba yung laging dala-dala ni Nexus?
I think it's a diary.
Open it.
Ano ba yan? Nag-iinarte ka na naman? Paano nag-iinarte? Tignan mo yung itsura mo, nag-iinarte ka. Tama na nga yan. Hindi mo kasi nararanasan yung nararanasan.
Wait! Teka!
Saan yung diary?
Saan?
Diary! Hanapin ka yun! Hanapin nyo!
Wala tayong oras para dyan! Tara na lang sa gubat, takbo tayo doon, mas ligtas doon. Tara! What on earth is happening here?
That just happened.
Where did we stop? We have to go!
Run! Let's go!
Exclusive news, nagbabagang balita mula sa aming news team. Ayon sa mga otoridad, isang hindi pangkaraniwang insidente ang nangyari sa Diplomat Hotel.
Where are we going?
Oh no! We're out of gas!
What? No! Where are we?
Let's go! Go! Hey guys, we have no choice but to run.
Look, car wash yung...
Tara, tingin tayo baka may mahanap tayong gas. Subukan natin humingi. Ate.
Oh, nung ate.
Ay kuya. Kuya, pwede po ba kami makahingi ng kunting gas kahit kunti lang po? Kailangan po talaga namin.
Ah, wala na pong gas dito.
Please, kung mayroon po, kailangan namin ng tulong. May mga humahabol po sa amin. Para makuha niyo na po.
Ano mo mahabol?
Mga zombie!
Zombie!
Totoo ba yan?
Maniwala kayo sa amin!
Sige ba? Sige, tara nun. Tara nun, may naka-reserve akong on gas. For emergency purposes only.
Tara.
Ano? Tara. Tara, ihati ko na.
Saan pa tayo dito sa zombie?
Guys, ano pang zombie ang inaabot niya? Okay, zombie ang
Guys, stop! Guys, mauna muna kayo sa school. We need to do something first. For the meantime, isa-isa muna tayo. Bahala na kayo sa sarili nyo.
Mag-ingat kayo!
Mag-ingat ka. Punta na tayo.
Tara.
Let's go, we don't have much time.
It may be a who or what.
This lab hasn't been used. Look at that.
A great student with a diary.
Did you remember the diary back at Diplomat Hotel? Yung biglang nawala.
Open your eyes. May photo na hindi nawala. Bakit lagi mo lang tinatanggi na ang katotohanan? Sure ako na isa sa kanila ay suspect.
Hindi. Hindi mga bata sila. Paano nila nagagawa ng sinasabi mo? Nihihimang ka na ba si Marius?
We don't stick up with that. We stick up with facts. And facts, I mean, unbiased and uninfluenced by personal emotion and opinions. Kala mo hindi ko nasisense na naging unprofessional ka na.
Si Marius, let's not forget that facts can be interpreted in different ways. As a detective, it's our job to consider all perspectives, not just the one that fit into our theories. I'm not being unprofessional. I'm being thorough. Magmadali na lang tayo para malaman na natin ang lahat at mapanatili natin ang kabutihang panlahat.
Wala tayong panahon dyan.
Tara na!
The heck is this?
Sir ba? Alam ko kung anong papahinga ako sa'yo.
Sir,
Bakit?
ang kapal ng mukha mo. Sa ganitong sitwasyon pa talaga?
Gugo, walang ginawa mo to. Ibigay mo na ang gusto ko.
Pulis ka pa man din.
Ang arte-arte mo ng buhay. Sa daming mga nakakaranas ng ganito. Dapat masanay na kayo. Kasalanan din naman ng mga sinusuot nyo eh.
At suot!
Aray!
Do you know where the diary of the deceased plastic is?
What are you talking about?
Stop it, Jura. As you write me, it will know you. Thursday, 7:01 p.m. Before the apocalypse, you will be free. And yet, I discovered a CCTV footage when we are at the gas station.
You did? Why didn't you tell me?
Kasi I don't trust you either. Bakit isa ka ba sa kanila?
No. Bakit mo ba binabaliktad ang lahat? Okay, fine. You can't really figure it out on your own. Fine. I was the one who stole the watchdog. What are you trying to do? Little transfer.
Ano? How did Nexus really die?
Let's change the question. Shouldn't your question be, who killed Nexus? Who spread that disease? All of you. You think he's a great man? Your very own Nexus Velasquez.
So, ano gusto mo iparating ang arcade? Ha?
Are you the one who killed Nexus? Killed? No, I did not, I think. Because ang ginawa ko lang naman, tinanggal ko lang naman yung life support niya. It's not considered murder because machine lang naman yung bumubuhay sa kanya eh. What? Nexus. He was more than a friend to me.
Gabihan na naman tayo eh.
Ayan kasi. Oh, tamo. Ano mga to? Bakla! Oy, ano ka ba?
Huli ka na ba? Kalbong bakla.
Grabe naman yung
Grabe
mga lalaki
naman.
mo.
Ate, sige pulutin mo na lang yung wig mo. Ano na naman
Uy,
to?
ano naman to?
Sino ba yung mga to?
Anong nangyayari dito? Hello, girls.
Hi, boys!
Girls, magkano kayo?
1K lang, boss!
Eh, ang mahal naman.
Hindi yan! Sulit ka naman dito eh! Kaya nga.
Yun yung sa kabilang section, di ba?
Kaya nga eh!
Nakakadiin naman. Gabing-gabi na may ginagawa pa ditong kalasuan.
Kaya yan yung problema talaga sa mundo eh. Kailangan na talaga ng pagbabago.
Napakagulo na ng mundo talaga, hindi mo na maintindihan. Ano ba yan?
Lagi na lang naman nangyayaring ganyan.
Kaya nga, hindi na natapos-tapos. Oh, tamo, meron na naman dito. Good item ba to? Oh, good item. Pulis! Pulis! Maraming pulis, boy. Pulis.
Katakot naman sila.
Ang ginagawa ng mga to.
Kaya nga.
Tara na, baka maano pa tayo dyan.
Dalian na lang natin.
Tara na. May namatay.
Okay lang ba siya? Kuya, ano po nangyayari dito?
Bawal po kayong pumasok dito, ma'am.
Bakit po bawal? Ano nagpakamatay?
May nagsusay, tumalon.
Iba lang po kayo doon, ma'am.
Iba na lang po.
Di mo kasi pwede dito eh.
Lagi na lang na mangyayari. May nangyayari na ganito.
Saglit lang.
Kailangan na talagang may gumawa ng pagbabago eh. Ano nangyayari sa'yo?
Ewan ko, kagabi umubutin ako sa taas nagsuka ako ng dugo. Bakit ng tiyan ko?
Nagsuka ka ng dugo? Ba't di mo sinabi sa akin?
Ayoko nang mag-alala kay
Hindi ka ba nakakamusin ha?
Naaawa? Ha? You are all fooled! Hindi na, nagbubulag-bulaga na ba kayo? Hindi na ba kayo nag-iisip? It's not just about Nexus! Try to hit me, pero we have this. Okay? You see, this is a device that produces sounds na yung zombie lang yung makakarinig. So, just one click. See, I can control them. I invented them after all. Why did you do it? For money?
Kapal naman ang mukha mo eh, no?
Money?
Para sa pera? You're so selfish!
Yan kasi yung hindi nyo naiintindihan. Hindi lang sa para sa pera to.
Why did you do that? He did nothing to you, Anarchy.
you have so much hatred towards Nexus.
Hatred? Naawa? Hindi nga ako naawa eh! Nagbubulag-bulagan lang kasi kayo! It's not just about Nexus! Anong ibig mo sabihin? Sa mundong to, ang dami ng issue, hindi na matapos-tapos. Homosexualidad, prostitution, drug abuse, pang-aabusong sexual, premarital sex, tapos hindi pa yun yung lahat. Marami pa, nadadagdagan pa. Hindi ba kayo nagtataka kung kailan din matatapos? So ako ang naggawa ng solusyon para sa atin. So now you can thank me. Iniisip mo solusyon ng pagkawasak? Pagkawasak? No. Ang ginagawa ko ay takot. Dahil ito ang nag-uudyok ng pagbabago. At sisiguraduhin kong hindi nyo yan masasaksihan! So you act on your own? Bakit hindi mo ba makapaghintay sa mga gobyerno? Kung ano gagawin nila? Gobyerno? Gobyerno? Sa tingin nyo ba may ginagawa sila sa sitwasyon na ganito? Patawa ka ba, miss? All of you! You think he's a great man? Hindi eh! May ginawa siya sa akin! Sa lahat ng tao!
You're lying! Hindi! Imposible!
Behind those closed doors, he is a monster.
Well, Johnny, you brace yourself. Ito yung gusto mong mangyari, di ba? Stand, face me. Sir Bumari.
Ano sinasabi mo?
Di ba ito yung gusto mong mangyari? Yung mabago yung mundo? My perpetrator.